Welcome, my friends. This is a guided walking meditation for gratitude. Grab your sneakers and your water bottle, and let's head outdoors. Some advice about safety first. Please keep your eyes open. Make sure you are hydrated. And in addition to listening to me, make sure you can hear what is going on around you too. Walk at a pace that is comfortable to you. And if at any time you feel winded or discomfort, please stop and rest, or if necessary, get help. Take a few moments to warm up and lightly stretch. Deep breath in and bring your hands up above your head, bringing your palms together. And on the exhale, release and lower your arms back to your sides. Once more, deep breath in, raise your arms, bring your palms together, and exhale, lowering them back down to your sides. Roll your shoulders forward and then back a few times, feeling yourself beginning to loosen up. Now, bending at the waist, reach for your toes, stopping when you feel discomfort or pulling. Hold for a breath or two. Gently feeling the stretch. And then stand up straight again. Take one more slow, deep breath in. Feeling yourself getting grounded. Note how the air feels, the temperature, whether the air is humid or dry. Note how your body feels. If you're feeling any tightness or discomfort in any part of your body. Notice how you are standing. And just like when we are sitting for meditations, you want your posture to be straight. And if you are ready, let's begin walking, keeping to a pace that is comfortable for you. Notice how it feels when each foot leaves the ground and hits the ground for the next step. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot, just one step at a time. Enjoying that feeling of movement and air. Notice what is around you and what you are passing as you are walking. Notice the light and shadows on the objects around you. And even if it's a cloudy day, there might still be shadows, even though the light tends to be flatter. And begin to notice the colors that you are seeing as you pass. And feel your body becoming more and more grounded, more connected to the plants, to nature. begin to notice what you are hearing. Maybe a breeze rustling the trees, an airplane in the sky. Maybe you hear birds singing or people talking. And any thoughts that pop into your head, just notice them for a moment and then let them drift away. And just remind yourself that you are focusing on the sounds that you're hearing as you're walking to help keep us present in the moment. And as you continue walking, turn your attention to what you can feel. Maybe a leaf on a tree, the stone on a wall, the weight of the water bottle in your hand, how your feet feel touching the ground as you take each step. How the breeze feels as you're walking. And notice how your breathing is. Are you breathing comfortably? Or do you find yourself taking a deeper breath, breathing a little bit harder as you're walking? Breathe in through your nose and notice any smells. How does the air smell to you? And observe how your body is feeling now that you've been moving a bit. How are your arms moving? How do your hips feel? How do your legs and feet feel? Can you sense a rhythm in your step? And as we continue to walk for the next few minutes, let's take some time for gratitude. To say thank you for this day. To say thank you for the air we are breathing. To say thank you for the time we have taken to walk today, to do something good for ourselves. To say thank you for the people who say hi as you pass. To say thank you for the squirrels who are running around or the birds that you see. For the flowers that are beginning to bloom, for the leaves on the trees that provide shade. And just take the next few minutes to think of other things that you are grateful for. Friends, family, your job. And if you find your mind beginning to wander, just bring it back and start naming the things that you pass. And taking a moment to say thank you for those things that you see. Just taking that time to be grateful for the small things helps us realize the abundance that we do have in our lives. And you can walk thoughtfully and in gratitude for as long and as frequently as you choose. You may notice that as you have been walking, any stress or anxiety that you may have felt earlier has begun to ease up. You may find that you feel calmer and more in control of your thoughts and emotions. You may find that a moment earlier in the day that had you agitated or annoyed was not as big as it was at that moment. Give yourself a smile, and if you can, close your eyes for a moment and take a snapshot with your mind of this calm moment, this happy feeling, this moment of peace, and tuck it away for later use. And you may have come to the end of your walk, or you may choose to continue on. The music will continue for about 5 more minutes. I'm so glad you were able to join me today on this walking meditation. May peace and love go with you on your journey, my friends.